Hey guys, so I've received a package from Johnny Loves Rosie and it's a bag and I've been so excited to see what's inside, so let's unbox it together. I'm opening the sticker. Beautiful wrapping paper. I have to rip it because it's so pretty. There we go. It's the best colour, I love it. So it has this little handle and I'll flip the camera around after and show you up close. So those are my initials with a little love heart. So let's open it inside. It has 2 compartments. So it has an additional strap to wear it as a crossbody. It's got so much space inside. The perfect colour. I love the colour combination of the metal clasp. So it's like a gold, but like a rose gold colour, and it matches the colour of the leather so well. So you can wear it as a crossbody and it actually matches my top so well. Over the shoulder, hold it as well, which I find so handy. I love it.